Today I'll show you how to launch your first Facebook ad campaign from start to finish. Now the first step is to set up your business account. But wait, before we do that, make sure you're logged into your personal Facebook account. And then go to business.facebook.com and click here. I'm going to type in my business name, business email and click submit. Now let's go to Ads Manager and click here. We need an ad account to run all our ads. So go here and add a new ad account. Now give it a name and adjust the time and currency. Select the business you want to use this account for. Click create and adjust the permissions for this account. I'm gonna enable them all like this. And lastly, you need to add your payment information, without which Meta won't let you publish any ads. Next, let's go to Ads Manager from here. You can see the performance overview of all your campaigns, ad sets and ads. An ad campaign is the overall theme. For example, your newest collection, sporty summer collection. Ad sets are where you divide your ads according to elements, like one ad set targets athletes and another targets fashionistas. And lastly, ads are your product advertisements. So you can divide and organize your ads under these tabs and it auto-generates metrics like clicks, conversion and budget for you to compare and see which ones are working well. And you can change this view from here, change it to engagement or delivery, or by the demographic or time from the breakdown menu. All this helps you analyze your campaigns and maximize the ROI. Now let's create our first Facebook ad. Click on create and choose the objective of your campaign. You can hover over them and it shows you little bits of information of what they are good for. Like traffic is good if your focus is to direct people towards a new product that you launched. And awareness focuses on getting your brand message seen by a broad audience. With engagement, you can create a buzz about an upcoming event or product. Leads let you collect contact information and generate interest among potential customers. App promotion focuses on increasing app installments and engagement within your app. I'm selecting sales because I want my focus to be on getting more conversion with this campaign. Make sure to select the Advantage plus Shopping campaign option. This allows the algorithm to pick the best placements and audience settings for you, which is really helpful if you are a beginner. Let's change the campaign name here. If your ads are political or fall under any of these categories, then make sure to pick them. Otherwise, your campaigns might get blocked by Facebook. If not, you can just skip them. Under conversion, you can pick where you want to drive traffic from the ads to. I'm gonna pick website. You can choose the other one if you have an app. Next, you will have to enable Pixel. To set it up, you simply need to give it a name and a website URL. It's then added to your website to collect data, like at what time is there more traffic on your website. And this helps to give you useful analytics to optimize your ads. Now, select which location you want to target your ads to. If you are a beginner, you can skip this part. Basically, it lets you set up custom audience sets for better insights and analysis, which is useful for your campaign optimization. But if you're just starting out, then you don't need to worry about it. Next, pick the daily budget for your ads. I'm gonna leave it as it is. And then schedule the ads launch time. I'm setting it for noon the next day so that there is some time for Facebook to review the ad. Let's say that we want to advertise more during the second week of June because the third Sunday is Father's Day and so there's more chance of people buying flowers. You can do that by enabling this. And now set the time and budget like this. And we're done. Here, let's give the ad a name. For example, Father's Day Sale. You can go here to create a Facebook business page if you don't have one. And you can do that in just 3 steps. Give your page a name, pick the category of your business, and add a profile picture. I'll also go ahead and add bio to complete it like this. Then I'm gonna select create ad here and select the format of our ad from these options. let's turn off the multi-advertiser options so that the viewer's focus isn't split between multiple ads. Next, we can upload our ad here. So click here and upload the ad like this. Now you can see that the size of the ad doesn't fit with the dimensions of Facebook stories and search results. You can crop or replace the video to fit these dimensions, or select recommended and Facebook will automatically crop it for you. If you still see a problem, like here I can't see the text on our ad, then you can replace it from here. Facebook also gives you an option to automatically enhance the text and visuals in your ads, so that it's automatically optimized for each user according to their preferences. You can enable them by selecting these two options. Next, click here to see your ad as you're editing. You can add in your primary text here like this. One cool tip, put your hook line in the primary text as it appears first to the users. Then in headline, I'm going to show that there is an offer for new users. It's the next highlighted text on screen, so make sure that it counts. And under description, you can add the other details like this. Let's see how the ad looks now. You can see the placement of the text and rearrange anything that you don't like the CTA button here. I'm going to change that to order now. Next, you can add your URL here to link it to the ad. You can add a call button for your users to reach you from your website from here. Facebook has also added these two new features, automatic translation and event tracking, that you can link with your website or app to use. So check them out and see if they fit your requirements. When you're ready, click on publish. And we are done. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. In this 3-minute video, I'll show you a free plugin to triple your site speed. You're really gonna thank me for this, so click here and I'll see you there.